In this video, I want to show you how to use the Showcase Mockups for Procreate. So I've got one of the templates open here. These are for showcasing your graphics. They're not a full shirt. They're more like a zoomed in view. But what we want to do is open up our layers here, and you'll see some fabric shading at the top, a background color, which would be the blue portions of the graphic here, what I call a magic fabric texture layer right here. And here's your neck label with a mask, so it looks like it's inside the collar there. Our example graphic, a heather layer if we want like a heather polycotton sort of look, and our background color would be our fabric color. So let's add in a graphic here. So what we want to do is go to add, insert a photo, and I've got a graphic on a transparent background, and we can rotate it, scale it, and sort of position it similar to the existing graphic there. We'll also want to turn off that example graphic already. That's looking really good. Let's say we want to change the fabric color. So first I'll show you how to change it to black. That's about the hardest color to mock up. So let's, instead of going all the way to 100% black, let's go to say an 80% or so. The other thing you'll notice here is there's kind of a funny little fine texture. And what that is the magic fabric texture layer that I told you about before. Let's go ahead and just turn that off for a moment. And you'll see, okay, the graphic in this portion is showing up well. The text isn't because it's on a black shirt. But we're not really seeing the contrast in the fabric ripples. So what we want to do here is turn off the light fabric shading and turn on the dark fabric shading. And depending on your preference, you could lighten or darken that color to adjust. You can also mix and match some of these. So you can have the light fabric shading and the dark fabric shading on, and just play around with that until you see what you like. But again, our text isn't showing up. So let's just change this fabric color to say like a medium blue. I think that's looking good. And instead of the dark fabric shading, which is a little bit too high contrast, let's go to the medium. I think that's looking great. Now, what we want to do here, actually, let's turn that back off for a second and just sample this fabric color. So we have that pure color. We'll turn that fabric shading back on. But what we want to do here is let's go back to this magic fabric texture layer and just fill it with that blue that matches exactly the fabric color behind it. So we'll just go fill layer, and you'll see now that our graphic has a nice, really subtle texture. You know, if you want to make it more subtle, you can just turn down the opacity. I kind of like it. I think it adds to the realism. So let's leave it as is. And let's see, what else can we do? Let's add in a neck label. So you'll see here we have a neck label that's masked out. Let's just go ahead and add in a neck label with a transparent background. And let's scale this, rotate it, and position it right in place right there. I think that's looking good. And the existing neck label, let's go ahead and go select, go back to this new neck label and go mask. Now that neck label is masked out, we want to turn off the visibility of the old neck label. And we also want to drag this under that magic fabric texture. So you're getting that texture on it. Looks really good. And the other thing, the only thing left I see are two things. We can change our background color, which is that blue. I think it's too close to the fabric color, so we could say change it to white. So the way we do that is change our color there to white and then just go fill layer. Or let's say you wanted to change it to an orange to kind of match the tint. Could fill it again with that orange. And the very last thing we can do that'll add a lot of realism to this mock-up is we can warp our graphic to match the ripples in the shirt. So I'll go ahead and highlight that graphic layer. Let's go to our Liquify filter there. And you have a brush here. And let's just try 38, 15%, none, and none on the settings. And we can go through here and kind of push those pixels around. And I kind of like to push them along with the ripples to see how they would sort of bend when actually printed on t-shirt fabric. And there you go. That's how to mock up your designs with the Showcase Mockups for Procreate. Thanks for watching.